Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela Konrad Sangmao Loong Ba ke Sorkar Jela ke Kloi man Ïakren halor ke Jingdawa jeng ke seng Hnlc ya kene Loong hadin ba ke ladon ke jing ujor ba ke Hnlc kadang pa ya ke siti dawa pisa syakipai ba ling ba ke WhatsApp Loong ba ki pulit kidang pelong ya ke jing tokit ha ke baya day bat kene ke jing kena.
These are, as I said, issues that we are speaking with Government of India also, and we've made it very clear as to what level we can go to, and this has been communicated to the Hnlc and members multiple times, and this has been communicated through Government of India as well as through the state government. So there are certain procedures and systems that are followed in all the talks the Government of India is involved in. Hence, we are following the same protocol and the same process is being followed. So, therefore, we are not deviating from those processes. So, based on that, we've mentioned that any kind of minor crimes that are there or kind of minor issues that are there, we can resolve those. But any kind of heinous crime that is there, any heinous, things that were committed in the past, those areas we have to look at. And so, therefore, it's not possible that I can just say that it's a blanket amnesty we'll give to, or we can give. It's case to case basis. It has to be looked into. But Government of India and both Meghalaya government have said that we are ready to discuss all these matters. But giving a statement that general amnesty will be given is going against the and deviating from the normal process that's followed by Government of India and by mainly Government of India and then Government of Meghalaya when we go for talks like this.